Hello, I'm JR with BNC National Bank here at the Real Producers event.
Ben Henwood with Designers Home Gallery.
Hi everybody, Josh Franklin and Nate Osterman. We're with Twister City Home Inspections.
Hello, I'm Rodney Horton. I'm the owner of Shift Auto Society.
We're here at Sam's Real Producer event.
Being involved with the top producing real estate agents in Wichita is key for our business.
Real Producers has been kind of a great investment for us. Nobody knows a home inspector, but everybody knows a realtor. So the relationships we've built with realtors through our partnership with Real Producers has just been priceless to us. So
Real Producer is a vital part of our monthly advertising. And what I appreciate about Real Producer is the opportunity to get those doors open for us, to be able to connect with other agents that we would have a hard time connecting with otherwise.
We're happy to host this great event for Real Producers. Adds a lot of value to our Wichita Realtor community.
So if you're not in Real Producer, I suggest you give it a shot. Unless you're with another flooring store, then it just doesn't work. This is a terrible idea. Do not even try it. Thanks, Sam.